She knew HTML. She knew CSS. She could style layouts, colors, and typography. Her websites worked, but they always fell flat. It wasn't just a site, it felt like art. Buttons expanded smoothly when hovered. Images faded in as she scrolled. Text appeared letter by letter, like someone was typing in real time. The whole experience felt alive. Sarah whispered to herself, "This isn't just CSS, this is magic." Curious, she opened the dev tools, and there it was: transition and keyframes, simple CSS properties. They guide users. They tell stories. They make interfaces feel human. But Sarah also learned another lesson. Too much animation is overwhelming. She tried animating everything at once. The site felt heavy. The experience felt distracting. That's when she understood balance. Animations work best when they have purpose. A button hover tells the user, "Yes, this is clickable." A smooth page transition says, "Don't worry, the content is loading." A subtle fade-in says, "Here's something new." They hovered over a button. It expanded gently. They opened a modal. It faded in smoothly. They scrolled. Content appeared with grace. And Sarah realized something powerful. Yet there was something missing. Her websites, despite being visually appealing, lacked a certain charm. They were like well-crafted instruments that couldn't play a melody. They were functional, but not engaging. Little did Sarah know that what she needed to learn was the language of emotions. This language wasn't spoken in words or sentences, but in micro-interactions, subtle animations, and graceful transitions. It was the language of UX design, the essence of which lies in understanding how users feel when they interact with a website. When Sarah encountered the mesmerizing portfolio website, it was like stumbling upon a symphony. Every element had its place, every interaction told a story. That's when her journey of learning began. The first step in Sarah's learning process was understanding the basics of CSS animations. This included grasping the concept of keyframes, transitions, and timing functions. Think of keyframes as notes in a song. Transitions as the smooth movement between those notes, and timing functions as the rhythm of the animation. By mastering these, Sarah was able to create simple yet effective animations that enhanced the user experience. But it wasn't just about learning the technical aspects. Sarah also delved deep into the psychology of user experience. She studied how people perceive motion, how they interpret visual cues, and how they emotionally respond to interactions. This led her to discover the importance of subtle, well-timed animations that guide users, providing a sense of clarity and comfort. Sarah's transformation didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual process fueled by curiosity and a desire to learn. Her dedication led her to experiment with different types of animations, from simple transitions to more complex interactions. With each experiment, she refined her skills, discovering a balance between aesthetics and functionality. One of the significant turning points in Sarah's learning journey was her realization that less is often more. She learned that over-animating can be detrimental, making the user experience feel heavy and overwhelming. This is a crucial aspect of UX design, understanding when to include animations and when to leave them out. It's about finding the right balance to ensure that every interaction contributes to the overall user experience. As Sarah progressed, she focused on the timing and rhythm of her animations. She learned to use timing functions effectively to create a natural flow of motion. This understanding of pacing is a hallmark of good UX design. A well-paced animation can make a significant difference in how users perceive the website's performance. Finally, Sarah's dedication paid off. She developed a portfolio that wasn't just visually stunning, but also emotionally engaging. Her use of animations and transitions created a seamless user experience that left a lasting impression on her audience. Her ability to tell stories through micro-interactions set her apart. As a true UX designer, someone who understood the power of emotions in shaping user experiences. But the story doesn't end there. Sarah's journey is an inspiration to all aspiring designers and developers. It shows that with passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn, one can master the intricate dance of CSS animations and transitions. It is a testament to the power of continuous learning and the importance of embracing change in the ever-evolving world of technology. If you've enjoyed this story and want to support our channel, here are 2 more great options for you. And if you're looking for a deeper dive into the world of web development, so why wait? Click on one of these stories now and let your learning journey begin. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.